Naalala niyo pa ba si Sia Vigor, ang isang batang sobrang nagtrending dahil siya ang gumanap bilang Taylor Swift sa Sound
A
Face
few moments
Familiar?
later.
So ito na siya ngayon, nagdadalaga na at ang nakaka-amaze, siya ang representative ng Philippines at a UN forum in foreign soil. Nag-post nga si Sia sa kanyang IG stories na representing the Philippines at United Nations Asia-Pacific Forum discussing about sustainable development and empowering the youth in protecting our rights. Diba, sa murang edad niya, grabe, sobrang matalino talaga itong si Sia. Sabi nga ng isang netizen na nag-comment na, imagine representing the Philippines at the UN Forum in foreign soil. You're still very young and you're doing more for humanity than what most people will in their lifetime. This is actually crazy and we Filipinos are all very proud of you and keep up the good work.
I'm so happy that me and my fellow advocate leaders there, we were able to share a dialogue to the legislators and policymakers at the House of the Representatives. And we were able to demand for children rights and proper access to clean water and a healthy environment for us youth and to everyone here. And I want to thank Congresswoman Natasha Ko for making all these things possible for us. Thank you.
Hindi lang siya matalino, kung hindi napaka-talented pa. So yun guys, nagpe-perform din si Sia at ang daming nanood nung last show niya doon sa Caraga, Albay. So ang ganda talaga niya at napaka-talented.